Hello everyone, this is an interesting project of ESP32. In this project we will measure the deep sleep mode current and normal working current, and we will compare these two and check what will be the output. So here is my setup. This is a ESP32 and it is already programmed in such a way that whenever I press this switch, there is two switches. If I press this one, it will goes into the sleep mode, and if I press this one, it will wake up from the deep sleep mode. So basically these two are inputs, and here is a LED. This LED will notify the current condition of the ESP32. So whenever it is in wake up condition, the LED will get blinked. So here is the actual setup, and for measuring the current accurately, I am using my Metra V XB editions and also my bench power supply for getting 5V output. So let's check whatever the output it will provide. So I am turning on my power supply. So it is in 5.3V almost. Well, the current consumption is right now 55.64 milliampere maximum. It is when the LED is turned on, and in 53.71 when the LED is turned off. So therefore the LED is taking almost 2 milliampere of current. So here is the condition, and it is in blinking condition. Therefore the ESP32 is now in wake up situation. So let's make it to goes into the deep sleep mode. So I am pressing this one. Well, as this situation, the ESP32 is in deep sleep mode. In this situation, the CPU and the RTC is only turned on and everything is turned off, and the current consumption is 4.10 milliampere. However, for ESP32, as per the datasheet, it is 100 to 150 microampere, but there is a reason for 4.10 milliampere of current, because here is one LED that is still in blown position. It is a ESP32 dev kit board, and again another thing that is turned on is the CP2102. Here is a CP2102 that is UART bridge, and a linear regulator that is converting the 5V to a 3.3V output. Therefore the excess current, that is almost 4 milliampere, goes into the LED and CP2102 and the linear regulator. So therefore, as we can see, in deep sleep mode condition, the current consumption is very low, and it is a very good sign for the good application. It is a proper application will be in a battery powered circuits, or where the battery powered or mobile devices are required such thing. So it will take a very less amount of current, and it will consume less amount of power and energies. So this is all about the power consumption of or current consumption of ESP32 in normal working condition and deep sleep mode condition. So you will get every information of how to put the ESP32 in deep sleep mode condition in the document with the full code. So have a nice day. Bye bye.